Hey there, this is Andrew from ClickFunnels support team. In this video, you are going to learn how to create call to action buttons and texts in ClickFunnels, which means by clicking on them, your customers will be able to automatically give a phone call to a certain telephone number, or they can actually send out an email message to a certain email address. So for example, let's say we want to create a button that will send out an email to a certain email address. We will go ahead and create a button, and there are two ways to actually do that. So we will call it call me, and we will go ahead and edit the button action. The button action should be set to go to website URL, and the first way to set it up is to make it call to colon and the phone number that you wanted to give a call to. Another way to make this button is to actually change the website URL that it goes to. So we will go ahead and set the action, delete the hashtag of course, but the website URL will be tell, colon, and the phone number of yours. The outcome will be the same. And you can also hyperlink the text with this function. So for example, you want this text to be clickable, and when people click on it, you want them to give you a call. You will hyperlink that text, you will click on this chain icon, and you will delete the hashtag and paste this function to this text. And this will automatically allow them to click on it, and whether it is a desktop or mobile, it will give a call to this number. On desktop, it will use the default software that you use to give calls. So for example, in my case, it is Skype or FaceTime. And for email, it will automatically open the email software that you use to create emails, and it will automatically populate the email address that you set up for it. So let's say we want to create a button that will send an email to a certain email address. We will go ahead and create this button, change the button text, and we will set an action to go to website URL 2. We will delete the hashtag, and to make it send an email message to a certain email address, you have to type in mail to colon and the email address of yours. So for example, ClickFunnels.com. You can also hyperlink the text with this link. So you can copy that mail to colon an email address of yours and paste it to a text. So we will hyperlink this text, and we will actually paste this link here. We will go ahead and save the page, and for example, we will go ahead and preview this in incognito mode to see if it works properly. We will go ahead and click call me buttons. The first one will open the Skype for me, and the second one will open the FaceTime. And if I click on this buttons, it will actually allow me to open the mail editor for Mac, and it will automatically pre-populate the email address that I have set up for it. So in this case, it will be andre@clickfunnels.com. And this is basically how you create call to action buttons and text. So to quickly recap, in order to create a button or a text to call to a certain number, you can do it in two ways. You can make this button or headline text or any text go to a website URL of call to colon and the phone number that you want to give a call, or you can actually make it tell, like in this particular button, tell colon and the phone number of yours. Both of those will give you the same outcome. In order to create a button or a text that will automatically send an email to a certain email address, you have to make this button go to the website URL, which will be mail to colon and the email address of yours. And all of those functions work for text. So you can also set it up for text by doing the same thing. You hyperlink the text and you set up those functions in those hyperlinks. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you have any more questions left regarding this subject, please let us know by submitting a support ticket. Thank you.